Opulent Resorts in Turks and Caicos Islands, Part 3. Villa Islander. Islander is a stunning contemporary villa that combines the luxury of a small boutique resort with the barefoot elegance and comforts of a relaxed beach retreat. This eco-friendly residence is located approximately 80 paces from the shore of Grace Bay Beach, which National Geographic Traveler named one of the best beaches in the world. It emits a relaxing Zen environment, has magnificent views from its roof terrace, and is within walking distance of cafes and restaurants. Beautiful gardens surround the property and can be continuously enjoyed from within thanks to large expanses of floor-to-ceiling glass. The pool with its sparkling mosaic finish is built as an extension of the living area and is surrounded by a wooden deck. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.